Gives us a good excuse to do so after we're done.
Hey, I think you should be allowed. All right, so you got the baby's head poking out a little bit, okay?
Oh yeah. Oh yeah. I just puked in my mouth a little bit.
You did. So what you have to do at this point, oh, by the way, guys, I'm telling you right now, this is the most beautiful thing in the world. If it's your little one. If it's not your little one, it's bad. It's bad. Okay? Because it's not the cleanest of all events. Okay? A lot of fluids and stuff like that will pass out. So if you have your safety glasses or a mask, and I'm telling you guys, I would, if I was a cop and I had my own damn cop car, I didn't have to share my own cop car with somebody, I'd be like having a bunch of stuff in my cop car, like machine guns, and then I would put like safety glasses and a face shield and stuff like that in there.
Cool. Just in case.
Once the head gets to this point, you want to put 2 fingers on top of the head and apply a little bit of pressure. A little bit of pressure, and here's why. If you don't, that baby's going to come out of there very quickly. And that will